Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wild life is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Welcome to Herman and Dorothy Shooster Nature Preserve. Let's go hike. This is a cypress tree.
This is a slash pine tree.
These are ferns, and ferns don't produce seeds. Instead, they produce spores.
This is Spanish moss. And it goes around up to the picnic tables, bike racks, and then you can walk back around. So this goes in a circle.
Now let's go on the boardwalk.
We are in the swamp. Look at this cyber tree with all the Spanish moss.
Those were resurrection ferns. The funny thing about resurrection ferns, when it doesn't rain, they turn brown and shrivel. When it rains, they turn green again. Those are resurrection ferns. Those little ferns on the tree.
Oh, look at this.
Did you see the honeybee inside the yellow flower?
Now we're leaving the boardwalk.
These are Florida invasive non-native snake plants. All these here on the ground, they don't belong here.
That's a baby strangler fig. now we're in the forest. Check it out.
We have reached the end of the line. Time to go back. Goodbye, Herman and Dorothy Shooster Nature Preserve.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.